Hello friends, I am Archana Upadhyay from Government Girls Number 2 School in Model Town 3rd. I study in class 11th. I made a artificial intelligence project of automatic traffic system using machine learning in Pictoblox. Coding is my favorite activity. It increased my skills. Thank you AI Kids for teaching us this project and let me show you my project. Hello friends, this is my project and in this project I used 3 sprites and 2 backdrops, and when I clicked green flag, the girl is asked the robot what is AI. Then robot is explain her for AI. He show her demo. Let me start.
Hello, friends. Hi. Welcome to AI World. What is AI? AI is the ability of a computer or a computer-controlled robot to perform tasks commonly associated with intelligent beings. Wow, can you show me demo? Let me show you hand-controlled automatic traffic system.
Thank you.